How to make money on YouTube without making videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube, $200, $300 a day on YouTube without making videos. And we're not going to be using Creative Commons videos. This video you will want to watch till the end. This could be the most important video you've seen this year. So stay tuned. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll get notified of any of my future videos. I post videos regularly on making money with affiliate marketing, ClickBank and internet marketing. Also, you'll want to watch till the end because I'm going to give you some free landing page software. This sort of software sells from anywhere from $90 a month up to $300 plus per month. If you stay till the end, I'll show you how you can get access to that lifetime membership without a credit card. And in addition to that, over the next week, I'm giving a $50 Amazon gift card, and you'll want to find out how you can go into the draw for that too. So we want to have days like this where you get $100, $200 or more. Stay tuned. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use other people's YouTube videos to get traffic for free. So this method is totally free. So we want to have a look at YouTube and see what some of the categories or the niches that get a lot of views. Let's say weight loss, as I know this one does. And if you've got something or that you know can get a lot of views, just do a search. Or the other way is you can go to ClickBank, because we're going to get a product from ClickBank shortly. I'll show you how to do that. Because if you go and find a product that's selling well and then just come and type that category into YouTube and see whether it could work. Now look at this. Scientific weight loss. This one, 1.6 million views 10 months ago. Now, as well as having that many views, comments, so that's only a year old. So let's go over here and just click on this one. And you can do this with multiple channels. So as you can see, this is pretty popular. It's got 40, and it's got over 5,000 comments. Now, with this method, you have a look through here, because I'm going to show you how you can make use of these comments, how you can get traffic from these comments for free. And there's two ways you can do it. One way I don't suggest, so stay tuned. I'll show you the way not to do it for the beginning. So I haven't been able to find one of a comment here with the way that I suggest not to do it. And we've come across these where people come in and really they hijack the comment, say, yes, go and buy this product here or get this product here, and then they'll put a link to the product. Often that might get your comment deleted and even get blocked from that YouTube channel. Now, if you're smart about it, what you would do, and my computer's running slow again at the moment because of the recording software, what you could go and do, here's one, I've lost a lot of weight eating anything. So what you could do is you go and write a comment there, and you could say, I found this, this product that really helped me lose, a lot of weight. I lost so-and-so, I might have lost 20 kilos or 20 pounds in, 3 months. If you're interested, have a look at my channel. So you're not actually spamming a link. You're saying, have a look at my channel. And then what people do, they click on this channel link, which is taking them to your channel. And I'm going to show you in a moment where you get a video to put on your channel and how to find a product. All right, so the next thing you want to do, we found a niche, a category, and with these videos, you'll put these comments in multiple videos with high views and high comments. So we want to go over here now. So our category or our niche is weight loss. So we'll go over here to one of the oldest affiliate networks. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you just promote somebody else's proven product. When it sells, you receive a commission, 50%, and more. Now, the great thing about affiliate, you don't need to create a product. You don't have to worry about creating payment processing. You don't have to worry about customer service. It's all done for you by ClickBank, and they pay the affiliate, they pay the vendor as well. If you haven't got an account, just go over here to the right. I'm not going to go into that. And click on sign up, put in a few details, some bank details, choose a nickname. And then what you'll do, you'll go over here to the marketplace and search by category, or you can search up here by product. This will show you the highest ranked products overall in ClickBank, not by category. Okay, so I'm back here. I've now filtered in the health and fitness category. If you have a look here, this shows you the top ranked products in this, and we're looking for weight loss products. Now, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the top ranked product in this category and overall, and it pays you on average $137 commission every time it sells. And it's also got a recurring amount there where you'll get about $34 on a recurring basis if they buy the upsell. Now, just to give you an indication of how popular it is has a gravity of 635. Now, all gravity is the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. So sometimes other methods, I would say, don't go for the high gravity products, but using this, you can take a high gravity product or a lower gravity product, because you're going to get traffic from viewed, high comment videos that are really relevant, because they're the videos about people losing weight. So what you would do, you go through here, you could choose a product. You might want to choose a couple of products, do a couple of different videos and see which one converts the best. Now, to get your affiliate link, all you do is you click on, then you just click on generate hop link, and what you get is this ugly looking link. Now, I suggest you go to another website because it looks spammy, and we want to make it easy on our link and buy. So it looks spammy. Click on this, and then we're going to go to another website called Bitly, bitly.com. Now, Bitly's free. It has a paid option as well. Now, I suggest you go and sign up for free. The reason for that is you can actually track the number of clicks on your link. And this is what it looks like. So you put that big long link in there, click on shorten, and this is the link you now have. So save that in a notepad or somewhere, because we're going to come back to that in a moment. Up here and sign up for free, you're able to watch, or you're able to track the number of clicks that this link gets. Now, here is where you get your video. You go over to a website called wave.video, and they've got little short videos here which you're able to edit and everything on here. So I'm just going to type in weight loss and see what comes up, or lose weight, or get fit. So let's just assume this one here. So we're going to click on that. I'm not going to show you the process, and you can do this. This website has you can use that option. I'm just going to show you how you do this for free. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Edit Template. The difference with the paid option and the free option, you get access to more videos. You're able to edit, have longer videos. All right, so now you can see this is a 20-second video. So what you can do, click on this. We're going to edit this, what it says here. So you can see I've edited the text. Now what you can do, along and more of the text. So you've got harsh exercise. So you can see I've just put, to get more details, go to my website. You can move that around. There is your Bitly link, so that it's embedded in the. Okay, so I've just I've only done a couple of spots, but you can just edit the text where you like. So here's what I've done. You can see where I've edited it. You can add text or delete text. So all you do then is you go up here to publish and click on or share, embed your video. So you would want to download the video, and then you're going to go to your YouTube channel, and then you're going to upload it. So you've uploaded your video, and then what you put in here is, this is something different, but you would just put something relevant to want to lose, see how I lost 5 pounds. What you would do is get details from the affiliate page, and you put your bit.ly link in here, and when they click on that, it will say, it'll take them to the product, and then that unique affiliate link is tracked to you. And because these people are interested in losing weight, a percentage of these will buy. Now, with over 1 million views and 1,500 comments, you're bound to get some people that are interested in clicking on this and purchasing. These video sales letters convert very, very well. So what you do then is you go and do that on multiple channels. You can even do it, once you've got this going, you can even go and do it in multiple niches. I did say earlier, if you didn't know, like I gave you the example of weight loss, if you didn't know a category to go with, what you would do if you went to ClickBank, and you could just click on the find products, and you could just scroll through here and have a look at what other types of products that sell really well. Here's another one, numerologist. And then you could just take that, research as a weight loss. Caravita is a toenail fungus. So there's quite a lot of diet ones on here, surprisingly, but there's other categories that sell really well. There's a timber, woodworking, and so you just go through here to give you some ideas, and then take that idea, go back to YouTube, type that in. Like, for instance, if you typed in woodworking and just see the sort of results that come up as to, so 433,000 views, 9.7 million views 2 years ago. So you could filter it by the most view count, and you can then filter it also. You don't want to pick the oldest videos. You want to get something that's still getting views and comments. So there's 71 million wood carving. So I hope that's given you some idea. So that's how to make money on YouTube without making videos for free. Now, if you've got value, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and I'll notify you every time I post a video. Now, I did say if you waited till the end, I'd tell you how you could get access to, firstly, the landing page software, which is where you're able to collect email addresses, and you might want to build a landing page. If you look at the top left-hand corner of the video in a moment, there'll be a thumbnail there, a pinky color thumbnail with says lifetime access. If you click on that thumbnail, it'll take you to another video, and in the description will be the link. Click on the link and you can go and sign up for the free software. It's in the cloud, so you don't need to host it. You don't need a credit card, and you've got lifetime access. The other thing I told you, I'm giving away a $50 Amazon gift card over the next week. All you need to do is comment below and subscribe to the channel, and you'll go into the draw and you'll be notified. All right, I hope you've got great value. As I said, that's how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.